We're going to be finding the volume of prisms. The formula we use for the volume of a prism should look familiar. Volume equals the area of the base times the height. If you remember, this is the exact same formula for the volume of cylinders. Okay, so volume of prisms and volume of cylinders use the exact same formula. Capital B stands for the area of the base. The H stands for the height of the prism. So in our case here, this triangle would be the base, the area of the base. We would need to find the area of that triangle, and then the height would be the height of the prism. Let's try a couple of examples. Okay, so we need to find the area of my base. Okay, so I'm going to find the area of my base. So that is 7 times 9. And then the height of my prism, height of my prism is right here. That's 6. So times 6. I really just need to multiply all those together. So 7 times 9 times 6, that gives me 378. This time we're in three-dimensional. We're talking volume, so we're talking cubic units. Remember, we're trying to figure out how many little cubes will fit into that big cube. All right, here's that triangular prism again. So we want to find, we know volume is equal to the area of the base times the height. So the area of my base, remember that's that triangle we talked about. So that's 1/2. My base and my height are 3 and 4 because we talked about how this is a 3, 4, 5, and that's that famous right triangle. So that's 3 times 4. That's the area of my base, all of that together. The height of my prism is then 8. So half of 3 times 4, that's 12. So half of 12 is 6. And 6 times 8 is 48 cubic inches.